It is another fun day here at Blackout Tinting. Weather and all, it is going to be great. So you know what day it is? It is Wednesday. First and foremost, welcome everyone. I'm honored to be back here to talk with you guys and show you what's going on. So let's go check it out. All right, to start things off, we have a 2021 Toyota Camry. Customer noticed a few little defects in their tint. They brought it back to us. We're more than happy to touch it up, make it look nice, keep our standards high. We have a special car here, not Jetta itself, it's a GLI. It's just amazing. This thing's fast. It's by Jimmy, he owns it. Race him when you see him. Ram 1500. What did we do? Fronts on tint. Very common thing we do, especially on Wednesdays. We do at least a dozen front tints. Give us a call. Let us know when you want to get in. Well. What do we have here? Take a look. It is Justin from Horsepower Obsessed ZR2. She's sitting pretty. We just washed her even though it's raining. It was a little muddy, but just waiting for him to pick up. Chrysler 300, big old V8 in this thing. What we did, full front clip, paint protection film, full hood, full front fenders, front bumper, and side view mirrors. It's just sitting here looking pretty for the time being, but it's up next for a ceramic coating. We're doing fusion, 4-year warranted coating. It's gonna look beautiful by the time we're done with it. Beautiful white C63S Mercedes here. What we did, full windshield tint on there. It's going to protect them against UV rays, A and B, so don't have to worry about fading, cracking on your dash, anything like that. And you're also getting 98% heat rejection, blocking the heat that you would normally feel coming through, leaving you a lot more cooler, comfortable, and your AC is not going to have to work as hard. To finish up outside here in the back of the shop, we have a Model 3 from Tesla. Came here for a partial paint protection film package as well as full XR tint. They also wanted to block that heat as well. 21 Chevy Equinox, doing our XR tint to give it the most factory match whenever it comes to matching the front doors up to the rear section. 20% is all you would need, and that's what we're doing on this one. Hyundai Sonata N-Line. Was here a few weeks ago. We did paint protection film for it. Now we are doing our fusion coating. We're gonna make it look beautiful once everything's complete. So things are trickling down here with our details. Anything that we did have scheduled, we're fulfilling, and this is one of the last. This is a 2018 Silverado. We're doing a full detail to it. Basically, it's the works. Whatever we can do inside and out, we will take care of, and a couple more hours of work, she's gonna look brand new. Here it is, guys, the first Ford Bronco, big boy Bronco that we've had in the shop. So what we did with this, we did the full front clip, full hood, front fenders, the little bumperette on the very front, as well as side view mirrors, and we even did all 4 of the fender flares, protecting it against anything that might kick up if they do want to go on a little bit of a off-road adventure. Velocity blue, looking beautiful. It's ready for the customer to pick up. This lovable guy right here, this is Jimmy. He is working on, what are you working on?
We're actually doing a lot of things to this Porsche. We just got it back from our friends at Sinister Muscle Cars. They did some exhaust work to the car. We did a full front PPF, mirrors also, down on the rocker panels, and a little piece on the back of the bumper. We ran a Porsche vinyl down the side of it, and Austin did a chrome delete in black on that also. I'm paint correcting it now, and I'll be ceramic coating it and then giving it back to Brandon so he can tint all the windows.
All right, we do PPF almost every single day. What we have here, it is a Kia Telluride. Beautiful SUVs coming from the Kia line. What we're doing here PPF-wise is just going to be the front bumper, side view mirrors, and I believe the grille is also gonna get protected on the exterior of that. All right, guys, Dodge Durango Hellcat. You might look familiar. We had it here a few months ago, probably when summer was just about starting. This time around, he's come for rocker panels to get covered in PPF. We also put an RX paint protection film on top of his screen, protecting against scratches. It even has a antimicrobial surface, keeping it nice and clean for him. And lastly, we did a interior ceramic coating. Let me show you what that looks like. Man, would you look at this? The interior of this Hellcat Durango is just beautiful. So we put a ceramic leather and textile on top of the surface to protect it against any kind of stains, liquids, things like that that might possibly spill. It's looking beautiful. Just curing, it'll be ready to pick up soon. Got a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500. Came in here for, what are we doing? Paint protection film, full front clip. Also doing a ceramic coating, and the surface is a little bit worse for wear. But fortunately, we have the perfect techs who can go ahead and address that for him. But what we're doing right now is just a one-pass polish to clean up the surface. And I'll actually give you a nice visual of what that's looking like before and after. All right, guys, I just want to thank you so much for joining me this Wednesday. Had a lot of cool stuff going on, even though the rain's not making things work for us too much. But As always, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and as always, join us for our future adventures.